Hi, I'm Paulos from BlancoTinto.com, Great Small Wines, and I'm here to present you two lovely wines from Canary Islands, from the island of La Palma and the project called Llanos Negros, which literally means the Black Plains. Located in the southern part of the island, the vineyards are old vineyards, 60 to 100 years old vineyards, planted in a black volcanic soil on the slopes of an ancient volcano. Let's start with the first wine. It is called La Time, even though you can read it like the time. In fact, it's the name of the plot where the grapes are sourced from. So in Spanish, it's La Time. It's funny because if you think about the concept of the time, the vintage of this wine is the year 2000. It has a very specific winemaking. This is a Listan Blanco variety, quite popular across Canary Islands. So the grapes actually have been fermented on their skins, like orange wine, in a cement tank, in a very old winery cement tank. After 6 days, the skins have been removed, the wine stayed in the tank was sealed, and it stayed there for further 15 years. That's right, it was bottled in 2015. I should warn you because this wine needs a lot of time to opening. We would recommend to decant it and use wide bowl glasses. So, as you can see, the color is a very nice golden color. The nose is a very peculiar one with a different kind of spicy notes, but spices like white pepper, a little bit of saffron, some herbal notes, dried herbs, dried flowers. And in the end, it smells like a cheese rind with honey. Very peculiar flavors and aromas. On the palate, it feels like linear. The acidity is there. It's not very high. It's a very smooth wine, delicious, with a hint of mineral notes in the aftertaste. And again, we don't see a lot of fruit in here. It's more like this kind of very soft spices. It's a delicious wine. It should go well with different food stuff. I would recommend it with oysters or with some mushroom dishes. Now, moving on next to Los Tabaqueros. Los Tabaqueros is another wine, vintage 2006. It is made out of 4 grape varieties. So it contains Listan Blanco from this wine, also Vijariego Blanco, Sabro, a local variety, and Malvasia aromatica or aromatic Malvasia. Curiosity, this was made only in stainless steel tank and it was sealed in there for 8 years and it was bottled in the same year, 2015. So in the color you can see it's a lovely light amber color. So we're talking about orange wine here. Oh, and the nose is absolutely explosive. It has a fantastic array of sweet notes like honeys, like dried peach, like tropical fruit, ripe tropical fruit. Some herbal notes as well, sort of eucalyptus notes with a very fresh sensation in the nose. It's delicious. Wow, on the palate, we're keeping up with this explosion of sensations. The acidity is higher compared to La Time, and also we can feel a little bit more of tannin there, the grip on the tongue, delicious tropical fruit notes, ripe tropical fruit like passion fruit, and also again this kind of very sweet peach or dried peach in there, long finish with a very nice salty notes as well. Absolutely stunning wines from Canary Islands. This can be more versatile. You could probably pair it with different dishes or have it on its own. So they're still available at our web shop, BlancoTinto.com. Hope you enjoy them. See you at the next wine tasting and cheers!